we are learning today about Maddah Asli. Okay, Maddah.
Asli.
Yeah, Maddah Asli. There are six
After
type
Z.
of Maddah Asli. Maddah Asli are six. Maddah Asli are
Yes. 6.
how many? Maddah Asli
6.
six. Number one, after Zabar empty alif. Okay, look it. Already you know this one. After Zabar empty alif. We will stretch it, right? After Zabar empty alif. Atuja. Second type is after Zer Ya Sakin. After Zer.
Ya Sakin.
Okay. Look it please, and we can find together. Please. In second line, try to find. Yeah,
Yes,
we
yeah.
found it. There is at the
Second
end of
line.
the word. Look it please. After
Yes.
Zer Ya Sakin.
Ya Sakin.
Right?
The
So when letter become a sakin? When any letter has this sign. This one. This one. It means this letter is now sakin letter. This
yeah.
sign name is
Sakin.
sukun. Okay? Sukun. Any letter with sukun sign is called sakin.
Can you call
Any letter,
Sukun letter Jazam?
yeah, you can also call, yeah, jazm. Okay? Any letter with jazm called sakin letter. Is that clear? Is easy now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
So after there is a ya sakin. So we will stretch. Reen. Third. Please read third and tell me please.
After Pesh, Wow Sakin.
Wow sakin. Okay. There is one more thing is the duration of one alif. There is written Maddah Asli must be prolonged for the duration of one alif. How many alif? One. The
One.
duration of one alif is the time that takes to open a closed finger or to close an open finger. Please close your finger. First open finger, first close, first open, anything you can choose. Okay, you opened. Now close it. How much time it takes? Now again open, close, open. Yeah, normally. In this time,
Mm.
so atuja. Do it please. Atuja by open or close while doing stretch.
Aku Ja.
Okay, again. Now while saying close finger. Yes.
Aku Ja.
Good job. So this is the duration. Okay. So now this done. Second point. Now third one is after page.
Wow
Please.
Sakin.
Wow sakin. After page.
Wow Sakin.
Okay. So please find after page. Wow sakin. Did you find in this box? There are two examples.
Oh
After page.
yeah, it's one right there.
Yes. After page. Wow sakin. There
Wow
is,
Sakin.
yeah, there is wow sakin after page. How we will read this?
There's one right there.
Yeah, you can start from here.
Tamu.
Kada.
Boo. Gazaboo.
Yeah. Duration will be same like close finger or open finger. Okay. Like one alif. And there is one more after page. Again wow sakin. So wama kanu wama one. This is also alif madda, that is wow madda.
وما كانوا
Good job. Mu'minin.
mu'minin.
Good job. Okay, so alif wow ya done.
Yep.
For the alif, after zabar empty alif. For the wow, after pesh wow sakin. For the ya, for the ya,
Um, yeah, yeah, sakin.
when after,
After there,
yeah, after z. Okay, three done. Now next three please. Number four,
horizontal.
khada zabar. Do you know khada zabar?
Yeah, it's like the,
Small
like,
alif.
yeah, it's like, yeah, like on top.
Okay, khada
But
zabar
like,
and khada zer. And next
and
is
ulta pesh.
ulta pesh. So you can say standing fatah, standing kasra, inverted dhamma. Okay,
Yeah.
ulta pesh you will understand. Ulta pesh.
Yeah.
Okay, ulta pesh is actually in Urdu language. A lot of people knows ulta pesh. Okay, look it please. Now we easily find. Please find standing zabar in this box.
Standing over,
Is there?
yeah, that's one right there. Yeah. One right there on top the,
Yes, this is
the-
also Maddah Asli. Okay, what is
yeah,
this Maddah?
Asli.
Yeah, and in this box, please find standing zabar and standing zir.
Uh, Oh yeah, on the ha.
Okay, read please. How you will read?
Hazihi.
Well job, mashallah. Okay, so there is now standing page left. Find please.
Standing pesh.
Are we able to
Ulta
find?
pesh, right?
Yes, ulta page.
Hold up, wait.
Ulta page, where are
Uh,
you? Ulta page.
oh, that one right there. Kau mumus mumusri
No,
un.
this one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is double page. One is ulta, one is normally. Okay, there is actually. Can you see? This is
Yeah.
ulta page. Read
Oh, I
word.
don't know. Oh, that one was that was a double pesh.
Yeah, not double page. We are there is
Pesh.
yeah ulta page. Okay, example was ulta page. Madda
Yeah.
asli. Read please. Illam ra'ata.
Illam ra'atahu.
Yes. So khada zabar, khadi zer, ulta page. We
The
have to
pesh.
stretch how much? One alif. One alif is duration like open finger.
And close finger or close finger and open
Yeah.
finger.
Madda asli clear.
Yes.
What is written there?
Alif preceded by Fatah is over.
And what is this note? It is not permissible to.
Permissible to prolong the Madli Asam more than one alif, nor is permissible to read the Madli Asli less than one alif.
So word is this one. Kana. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And this one after zabar is empty alif. So this is madda
Yeah.
asli. Both have madda asli, right?
Yeah.
We are starting from here. Kaifa kana kaifa kana. This is not good, right? We are not stretching
Uh,
equal to one alif. And if you are saying kaifa kana, this is also not good, not correct.
yeah.
Kaifa kana aqibatul. Okay. Kaifa
Uh,
kana aqibatul mujrimin. This is beautiful and correct. Is that clear?
yes.
This is the correct way. Okay. So there are examples.
Uh-huh.
Any two examples read please.
Um, ba,
Okay.
ta,
Done. Mashallah. So there are for alif examples, and there is exercise for Alif. Okay, the whole page. I'm sending two pages, this one and
Okay.
previous one. Okay,
Okay.
you have to memorize Maddah Asli, all six. Okay,
Uh-huh.
names,
Uh-huh.
examples, duration,
Uh-huh.
and there is practice for Alif, there is for Ya, there is for Wow. Okay, I'll send
Uh-huh.
these pages. Must practice. Okay, this is lesson for
Okay.
tomorrow. Any question, please?
No.